The school's vision is a leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. And its mission is University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing a highly competent and morally responsible UEPians through innovations, industry-focused educations, sustainable research, and values-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principle-centered culture, defining our values of makajos, malinis, marunong, and malinis. And the core values are uprightness, excellence, and passion. Then, my previous instructor on Net 101 is Sir PM Awanan or Philip Michael Awanan. In Net 101, I have gained a deeper appreciation for the foundation of networking. From logical designs such as topologies and IP addressing, to physical layer where actual connectivity takes place. I've seen how proper hardware configuration and well-executed cabling directly impact network performance and stability. In our hands-on activities, we focus on creating Ethernet cables using the T568A and T568B standards, which is the straight through and crossover. And gumawa din po kami ng basically apat po siya: pass through, crossover, and the cross wiring of the T568A and T568B. This was not just about arranging colored wires, but ensuring wiring consistency to avoid the signal loss or interference. Kasi po pag may konting kamali ka lang sa paggawa ng pag-cabling, kunwari po, na-short po yung isang wire, hindi na po siya gagana ng maayos or magkakaroon po ng problema. Pag nagkaroon ka ng problema doon, masasayang yung RG45 na ginamit natin doon. Then afternoon, natutunan ko din po paano gamitin ang Cisco packet, kung paano the connection of Wi-Fi from Wi-Fi to PC to laptops and to printers. Paano po yung connectivity nila, paano po sila nagko-connect and how internet flows within that particular configuration. Doon po sa paggawa po ng Ethernet cable, syempre po gumamit din po kami ng tester to validate if working po siya o hindi, kung quality po ba yung nagawa namin or merong problema. Reinforcing the idea that precision in cabling is just important as configuration in software. For the overall experience has made it clear that in networking 101, theory and hands-on skills must go hand in hand or dapat connected silang dalawa, para hindi lang po basta-bastang alam mo yung how network works, but alam mo din po siyang i-troubleshoot when you encountered a problem. Yun lang po.